If your skin keeps looking worse than you desire, you need to change your routine. In this video, you'll learn Jennifer Garner's simple 6-minute routine for achieving a radiant complexion. The Golden Globe Award winner is set to star in and produce a new Netflix holiday comedy, Mrs. Claus. Beyond her roles in movies, Jennifer is known for her natural, effortless beauty, and we are about to share her go-to products and techniques. Get ready to discover the secrets behind Jennifer's healthy, youthful glow. All it takes is a few simple steps that you can easily fit into your daily beauty regimen. Let's dive in and learn Jennifer's must-try routine for flawless, luminous skin. Pre-cleanse Jennifer Garner knows the key to a flawless, radiant complexion starts with a clean canvas. That's why the first step in her beauty routine is using a nourishing cleansing balm to remove all her makeup, sunscreen, and other impurities that have built up on her skin throughout the day. She explains that this pre-cleansing stage is crucial for prepping the skin and ensuring a deep clean. Jennifer is a big believer in the double cleansing method. First using the balm to dissolve everything, then following up with her regular face wash. She swears by this extra step, saying it makes a huge difference in how her skin looks and feels. According to Jennifer, you can't just slap on a bunch of fancy serums and creams if your skin isn't thoroughly cleansed first. It's like trying to paint a wall without properly washing it. The new paint just won't adhere as well. That's why she always carves out that extra minute at the start of her routine to melt away every trace of dirt and oil. Jennifer has relied on this cleansing balm trick for years, ever since her trusted makeup artist buddy Jillian Dempsey first recommended it to her in 2018. She says Jillian opened her eyes to the importance of double cleansing for getting that ultra-clean, prepped complexion. Now, it's an essential non-negotiable in Jennifer's beauty regimen. Hydrating serum. After rinsing off the cleansing balm, Jennifer reaches for her beloved hydrating serum. This one is packed with a superstar skincare ingredient she's become quite the expert on: hyaluronic acid. Over the years, Jennifer has had the chance to work with all kinds of incredible chemists and dermatologists, especially when she was developing her organic baby care line, Once Upon a Farm, back in 2017. Through those collaborations, she's learned about the most powerful active ingredients. One of Jennifer's obsessions is hyaluronic acid. She calls it magic for the way it helps lock in moisture and plump up the skin. Jennifer loves how using a serum with this ingredient leaves her complexion looking and feeling so much more supple and radiant. It's the perfect way to quench that thirsty skin after the thorough cleansing step. As Jennifer massages the serum all over her face and neck, she emphasizes the importance of working it in. She finds that this extra effort pays off big time, giving her that dewy, youthful glow that she's always after. Healthy, hydrated skin is the ultimate foundation for any makeup look for Jennifer. Eye and neck cream. Jennifer knows that the delicate eye and neck areas need a little extra TLC to achieve a youthful, radiant complexion. The next step in her beauty routine is applying a nourishing cream specifically formulated for those sensitive zones. As she gently pats the cream around her eyes and neck, Jennifer explains that caring for these often overlooked areas is crucial for preventing premature aging. The skin here is so much thinner and more fragile, so it really requires its special treatment, she says. Over the years, Jennifer has learned that neglecting the eye and neck can lead to unwanted signs of aging, from fine lines and wrinkles to crepey texture and sagging. But by incorporating a hydrating, collagen-boosting cream into her routine, she can keep that delicate skin looking smooth, plump, and lifted. I really want to do everything I can to ward off those early aging issues, Jennifer shares. It's all about maintaining that healthy, youthful glow from head to toe. And for her, that means making sure to give equal love and attention to every inch of her complexion, not just the central focus of the face. Sunscreen. If there's one non-negotiable step in Jennifer Garner's beauty regimen, it's the daily application of broad-spectrum sunscreen. She's adamant about the importance of sun protection and never skips this crucial final step. No matter what, she always lathers on the SPF before heading out the door. It's the #1 thing you can do to prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking its absolute best. Jennifer applies a generous amount of sunscreen to her face, neck, and chest. She knows the sun's harmful UV rays can wreak havoc on the skin, leading to fine lines and discoloration and a leathery, weathered texture. And for someone like Jennifer, who values a fresh, youthful glow, that's simply not an outcome she's willing to accept. She mentions how sun damage can prematurely age you. That's why she diligently wears SPF every single day. It's the key to aging gracefully and maintaining that healthy, radiant complexion well into the future. Jennifer is so passionate about sun protection that she even ensures her kids are as committed. She says instilling those healthy habits from a young age is the best way to set them up for a lifetime of glowing, resilient skin. Complexion perfection. With her skin thoroughly cleansed, hydrated, and protected from the sun, Jennifer moves on to the next step in her beauty routine, perfecting her complexion. For this, she reaches for a creamy, blendable foundation stick that helps even out any redness or discoloration across her face. Jennifer explained that she likes to selectively use this type of concentrated, pigment-rich formula rather than covering her entire face. She believes that less is more when it comes to foundation. So she just dabs a bit wherever she needs extra coverage and then blends it in seamlessly. This targeted application method allows Jennifer to maintain a natural, luminous look rather than ending up with a mask-like, overly made-up appearance. She's all about that healthy glow, and piling on a heavy foundation just doesn't align with the effortless aesthetic she loves. Of course, Jennifer's complexion-perfecting skills have evolved quite a bit over the years. She admits that during the height of the pandemic, when she had to start doing her makeup for virtual events and press, she had to learn some new tricks. Let's just say my first few attempts were a little interesting, Jennifer says with a laugh. My hair and makeup team, Adir and Jillian, were cracking up watching me struggle through it on Zoom. But Jennifer stuck with it, and those pandemic-era makeup lessons ended as a game changer. She now feels much more confident and skilled in evening out her complexion and getting that seamless, airbrushed look. Finishing touches. With her base perfectly prepped, Jennifer moves on to the final touches that help pull together her beauty look. First, she sweeps on a bronzer to warm up her complexion and add a natural-looking dimension. Bronzer can be a little intimidating, but once you get the hang of applying it just right, it becomes a game changer. It helps bring the whole look to life. After the bronzer, Jennifer dusts on a soft, pretty blush to add a healthy flush to her cheeks. She's careful to apply it in a natural and flattering way rather than going overboard. For Jennifer, the key is enhancing her features subtly, not drastically transforming her entire face. Finally, Jennifer fills in her brows using a precise pencil. She explains that she used to feel self-conscious about getting her brows just right, but now it's an essential part of her routine. The final touch in Jennifer's beauty regimen is her signature red lipstick. She sweeps it on liberally, then blots and reapplies it to ensure the color is rich and long-lasting. This is my little indulgence. I just love how it pulls the whole look together and makes me feel so put together, she says. With her complexion perfected and her final touches added, Jennifer takes one last look in the mirror, smiles, and declares, "All right, I'd say I'm ready to take on the world." Jennifer's 6-minute beauty routine is the secret to her radiant, youthful glow. She can achieve an effortless, natural-looking result every time by following simple steps, from cleansing and hydrating to perfecting her complexion and adding the finishing touches. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more celebrity skincare and beauty tips. Let me know in the comments if you try out Jennifer Garner's routine.